From Studio 3C in Rockefeller Center, this is News 4 New York.
All right, 5:19 right now. Still to come, take a sneak peek inside the New York Public Library. Very cool sneak peek, by the way. Coming up next, a preview of the Treasures exhibition. You're watching Today in New York. Well, now a dramatic sneak peek inside the New York Public Library. We have new drone footage of the library's long-anticipated Treasures exhibition. The 6,000 square foot marble hall inside the Schwartzman building on 42nd Street will be home to a permanent display of 250 unique historic items from the library's holding. The Treasures exhibition opens to the public on September 24th. I mean, it's so cool, and you know, it's got that part of the library looking like a museum. Beautiful marbled hallways, and you guys were pointing out that drone better be accurate.
Right.
Cool, yeah.
And I'm like, oh, it's nice and quiet. And Lauren's like, have you heard a drone? And you're absolutely
sounds like
right.
an entire hive of bees.
Yeah, you're 100%
Usually
right.
they're so far away, so they seem quiet, Maria.
Right. But the view is cool.